Hey traders, may pips be upon you. Let's talk about USD-CAD, shall we? Let's get right to it. You know how I do it. That rhymed. Okay, look, what I like is what you see. We got a downtrend. It's been going down for quite some time, obviously. So why would I look for anything other than a short, right? So I'm looking for a good opportunity for a short. I got the stochastics out. This this was an optimal entry here. All right. So I'm waiting for price to come back up here. All right. I'm waiting for that blue to cross that red. All right. Look where we're at now. Right where we need to be. This is an order block. Some people will call it a supply zone, all that good stuff, right? We've hit the midpoint of it, which is the one of the most important parts, right? And we are getting a bearish reaction there, that lovely rejection wick. So it requires me to go down to the lower time frame to take a look and see what kind of price action we're getting. We need bearish price action, right? This is bearish, all right? This is bearish. If it closes like this on the 1 hour, if it closes like this and we have about a half an hour to go, then this is good to go for a short, in my opinion. All right. If you go down just a little further to the 30-minute, this one closes again in about a half an hour. And what I'm looking for is a bearish close below these levels, below the open here and the close there. I would like to see a bearish close, somewhere around this area. All right, that's what I would like. All right, all this action up here is good, and it might go even higher because you saw on the stochastics that there was some room for it to go higher, and we're still waiting for the blue to cross that red, like over here. Right? Let me get this out of the way. All right. Yeah, we want that, and that blue is getting ready to cross, so it may go a little higher before it does that. Okay, so what we're looking for is those wicks of rejection. All right, we want those wicks of rejection like we see here. Come on, man. What is that? I don't understand why it's okay. We want to see those little wicks of rejection, the little dojis, and then that bearish engulfer. If we get the bearish engulfer or that momentum candle to take down to downtown, then that's what we're going to wait on, right? That's what we're waiting on. The name of this game is patience. So let's go back to the 4 hour. You know what I'm looking for. All right. And we're looking for some bearish price action in here to validate a good short entry. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Trade safely. Give a like and subscribe if you want more free content, free education, and free analysis. Free. You know, also, it encourages me to make put more information out. So give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll do my part. Okay, I'll talk to you later.